Hi everyone, it's Angela Dahlgren. As you can see, we have a very informal video for you today. There's no green screen, there's no backdrops, it's just me in my office. I'm going to be talking about what I purchased from the Disney by TOMS Princess collection. I got 2 pairs of shoes, and let's just jump right in and see what I ordered. Earlier this summer, I think in June, the Cinderella collection dropped, and very recently the Sleeping Beauty collection dropped, which is what I was waiting for. So let's jump right in. So out of all of the classic Disney princesses, Sleeping Beauty, aka Aurora, aka Briar Rose, she's my favorite. I don't know why. I don't know if it's because she wears a pink dress, sometimes blue, but pink. I don't know if it's because of the cake decorating scene. You know what? It's definitely because of the cake decorating scene. That is my favorite scene pretty much in any Disney movie. I just love it. Anytime it's on, I will watch it. If it's on TV, on Disney TV, when I'm staying at a Disney resort or at the baby care center, I will watch it. It's the best. Anyway, why are you rambling? That's not what they're here for. Let me know who your favorite Disney princess is. I'm very curious to find out. Moving on. So I went for the pink Sleeping Beauty women's classics and the fairy Godmother women's classics. So these shoes are $64.95 a piece, which I personally think is a little pricey, but it's only because I don't spend a lot of money on shoes. I spend money on makeup and on Disney trips, not so much shoes. But consider that TOMS is name brand, Disney is name brand, and there are coupons available. I had a $20 coupon that I used when I bought these shoes, and shipping was free. And if you use Ebates, I believe I got like 13% cash back. And if you don't know what Ebates is, definitely look it up. This is not sponsored. I just use it every time I online shop and it's amazing. But if you want to sponsor me, Ebates, like totally, I would do it. Let's take a look at the pink Sleeping Beauty printed canvas. I think this is really cute packaging. It's kind of that Tiffany blue, and it says Disney by TOMS in gold writing. This is what the back looks like. Let's start with the Sleeping Beauty shoes. Okay. I'm so excited. I got both pairs because I didn't know which one I would like better. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. All right, so we have a nice blue packaging. Can you see it has the little twinkly stars on them and carries over that blue kind of Tiffany blue theme. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm way too excited about this. Oh gosh, look at these. So you have that baby pink shoe. These are really, really lightweight too. Oh my gosh, I've never had a pair of TOMS. I've always gotten like the generic brand from Target, so I never really understood, you know, what they were about. So we have a baby pink, oh my gosh, my favorite color. We have a baby pink background, and we have Aurora wearing her blue dress, which I will accept just because the background is baby pink. And then we have her, I guess like the not colored in version of Aurora. So it's her in her peasant dress here, carrying a basket. And then we have the TOMS tag in baby pink. The soles of the shoe are just white. These are gonna get dirty in about 5 minutes, so be careful wearing them outside. Oh, I love this. I didn't know that this was the case. On the inside is Flora making her dress. Oh my gosh, which is so appropriate considering it's Aurora in the dress that Flora makes. I think this is so adorable. I got a 6.5. I was told when I was looking at TOMS at a different store that they stretch. I'm normally like a 7 or a 6.5, so I went with a 6.5. Hopefully they fit, we will see. And then we'll look at the tag here. The tag is the same, very same print as the box. The tag says, featuring original storyboard sketches of classic Disney princess characters, released from the Disney archives just for TOMS. All right, well, I have to try these on now. Lately, I've been wearing more 6.5s, and I definitely feel like I have about an inch of room in the toe. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. How am I gonna choose? What if I like the fairy godmother ones? Am I gonna want to keep both? Do I keep both? Would you keep both? You have to let me know in the comments. As far as if there's anything else in the box, there's a TOMS sticker and it says 5 ways to get involved. Oh my gosh, can you tell how I'm out of breath from like being excited talking about shoes? The girl who never buys shoes. I'm talking about Disney though. And it tells you what you can do with the sticker, like blah, 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 blah. Okay. The shoes right now feel a little tight. My feet aren't narrow, they're not wide, they're just very like normal. TOMS look narrow, they look like they're for narrow feet. They do feel tight. I expect them to kind of stretch as I wear them, but like I said, I do have room at the toe where I don't feel like I'll get like an ingrown toenail or anything, so hooray. I wanted to add that for those of you who have difficulty putting on shoes, you will definitely need a shoehorn because these are really hard to put on, especially getting them around your heel. So like I said, definitely use a shoehorn. I will also say that the inner insert does kind of slide a little bit when you take it off. It's not a big deal. It doesn't like make or break the shoe for me, but it's just another thing I wanted to add. All right, second pair. The Fairy Godmother shoes. Oh. This is very exciting. Okay, so these are the Fairy Godmother shoes. Why did I always think that Fauna was green? Is it because they did the original storybook sketches, or did I just like miss something? See, you can kind of tell she's made to be orange. That's Fauna. Then we have Merryweather. There she is again. And then we have Flora. Right there and right there. As far as the background, these are more of a cream slash, I guess, tan, if you will. I wouldn't say they're tan, honestly. Yeah, they're cream. We'll go with cream. This TOMS logo is more like a rose gold slash kind of coppery color. As you can tell, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, these are just lovely. As you can see, the inside is also Flora making Aurora's dress. How am I gonna choose which pair? I don't think I can choose. It's like picking which kid I like better. I don't think I'm gonna be able to choose. I think I have to keep them both. Again, what would you guys do? Tell me what to do. Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope. I know, I'm like mixing genres, but it's still technically Disney because now they own Lucasfilm. I don't know. Honestly, I see both shoes getting dirty. One step in a rainstorm and they're gonna get filthy. Again, if you wear TOMS, can you throw these in the washing machine? Do these get clean like fairly well? Because these just look like these are gonna get destroyed within 5 seconds. I love them regardless, and I know that Disney is coming out with, I think, a Snow White collection as well. I believe probably in August. I will double check for you. I will have the date right here. So I've been wearing these shoes for about 3 days now, and I wanted to give you an update from when I filmed this video. They started to stretch out about a day after wearing them, and they were much easier to slip on and off. That being said, the insert does come out almost completely when you take the shoe off, which gets a little annoying, but the website does say that the insert is removable, so at least you know that going into it. As predicted, the bottom of the shoe got dirty immediately after wearing them outside of the house, but again, I expected that, so not a big deal. They're really comfortable on the pads of the feet right above the toes, and I haven't felt any foot or heel pain while wearing them, so I consider that pretty good support for flats. Overall, they're pretty comfortable to walk around in for an everyday shoe, though I don't know that I'd spend a day around the parks in them. Since this was more of a first impressions, if you want to know how these shoes last down the road as far as comfort and longevity and how they wash up, I will leave my thoughts over on Twitter. If you want to know, I'll leave my handle right down here. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!